Are you tired of waiting endlessly for visa approvals, writing IELTS exams, or getting rejected because of your age? Well, what if I told you that there's a country offering 500,000 work visas right now, no IELTS, no age limit, and yes, you can move with your family. That country is Italy. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can be one of the 500,000 people to grab this opportunity in 2025. So grab a pen, stay with me till the end, and let's get you closer to living and working in Italy. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop it in the comments and I'll personally welcome you. The Italian government has officially approved 500,000 work permits under the Decreto Flussi program. This isn't a rumor, it's a real government policy and it's already in motion. You don't need an agent, you don't need fancy qualifications, and you definitely don't need IELTS. This is one of the biggest opportunities for non-EU citizens to work legally in Europe in 2025. This program is designed to bring in skilled and unskilled foreign workers to fill labor shortages across sectors like agriculture, tourism, construction, healthcare, and more. These jobs are in high demand, because if you target these, your chances of getting a visa are much higher. Here are some of the most in-demand jobs in Italy right now. 1. Farm workers and agricultural laborers. Especially in southern regions like Sicily, Calabria, and Puglia. Seasonal fruit picking, greenhouse work, livestock care. 2. Construction workers. Cities like Rome, Milan, and Bologna are seeing a boom in infrastructure projects. Bricklayers, scaffolders, electricians, welders, no degree required. 3. Domestic helpers and cleaners. Common in northern regions such as Lombardy and Veneto. You can work in private homes, hotels, and offices. 4. Caregivers and nursing assistants, OSS. Aging population means more demand in healthcare and elder care. No medical license needed, just basic training or experience. 5. Hospitality and tourism staff. Waiters, chefs, kitchen assistants, hotel receptionists. Be especially during peak tourism months in cities like Florence, Venice, and Naples. Bonus tip: many of these jobs also offer housing support or temporary accommodation when you arrive. How to apply, step-by-step process. Here's how to get started from your home country. Step 1. Get a job offer from an Italian employer. Go to these trusted platforms. Yours Job Portal. Job in Italy for foreigners, Indeed. AgriHub Italy, seasonal farm jobs. Use keywords like lavoro con sponsorization, seasonal worker, or Decreto Flussi. This is the most important step. You must secure a contract before applying for a visa. Step 2. Your employer applies for your work authorization. They submit a request under the Decreto Flussi quota system. Once approved, you will get the green light to apply for a visa. Step 3. Apply for your visa at the Italian embassy in your country. Submit your documents, including passport, job contract, and accommodation proof. Step 4. Travel to Italy and convert your visa to a residence permit, permesso di soggiorno. Required documents. Here's what you'll need for your application. Make sure you prepare these in advance. Valid international passport. Passport photographs. Job offer letter or employment contract. Proof of accommodation in Italy. Criminal record certificate. Medical insurance. Proof of family relationship, if you're moving with family. Your employer will also submit their own documents like company registration and proof they can employ foreign workers. Now listen carefully, many scammers are taking advantage of people desperate to move abroad. You do not need an agent. You do not need to pay for a job offer. And you should never pay for a visa appointment. Use official job portals like Italy's official Decreto Flussi portal. Yours Job Mobility portal. Make sure the company you're applying to is registered and verified. Never submit your passport or original documents to someone you don't trust. Always confirm your job offer through official websites or the Italian embassy. Check if the company is listed on Registro delle Imprese. Benefits of moving to Italy. Let's talk about why this is such a great opportunity. High demand for workers, especially with an aging population. Free education and healthcare for families. Strong work-life balance and better quality of life. Easy access to the rest of Europe, Schengen zone. Possibility of permanent residency or even citizenship later on. This isn't just about a job, it's a path to a better life in one of the most beautiful countries in the world. So if you've ever dreamed of relocating to Europe, this is your moment. Italy is officially offering 500,000 work permits, and the door is wide open for people like you. Take action. Start applying for those jobs, get your documents ready, and don't let this rare opportunity pass you by. Everything you need, application links, job sites, and official resources, is right there in the video description. And before you go, drop a comment. What country are you watching from? Are you applying from India, Nigeria, or the Philippines? Let me know what job you're aiming for and I'll reply with tips. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications bell for more updates on working and relocating abroad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.